action.
Chicken action.
Cruz is ugly. Okay, now, this is station number 2. At station number 2, you have a ball and a bucket of water. First off, observe it while it floats on top of the water. Next up, take the ball and try and push it down with your hand, and you should be able to feel what direction the force is pushing when you try and push it down with your hand. When you're done, you can dry your hand off with a paper towel. If a paper towel if that doesn't work.
He lied.
Okay? Don't make a big mess. Don't throw the ball around. All right, to station 3.
Not this section.
Okay, at station 3, what you have, you've got a magnet and you've got some paper clips in a cup. You're going to take the magnet, make sure you can see this, take the magnet and move it around on the bottom of the cup and see what happens to the paper clips.
Station 3.
Station 3, boom. Station 4. Station 4, you have 2 balloons and you have a piece of cloth.
And you pop them.
Here's what you're going to do. Hold on to one of the balloons and rub the cloth on it.
And pop them.
Pop them.
Pop
Okay?
them.
Now, please don't pop them. These are the only 2 balloons I have. If you pop it, then the whole day is ruined.
If you pop it,
now,
you're an ISS.
try and touch one balloon with the other.
It doesn't work.
And see what happens. All right? If it's not doing much, rub the cloth on again to charge them back up. So you're trying to touch one balloon with the other balloon and then see what happens.
Station 4.
Station 5. Okay, station 5. You have 3 pieces of paper. One is unfolded. One has been folded twice. One is crumpled up. You're going to drop each one. Drop. Drop.
That's not gravity.
Drop. Okay? If you want, you can drop all 3 at the same time and see what happens.
Not nice.
All right. Hey, now, it's obvious that gravity is acting on this. Think about what else is acting on the paper that makes them take different amounts of time to fall to the ground. All right, station 6. Station 6, you have a ramp, okay? There are 2 items on the ramp. There's a piece of wood. I stole this from Mr. Gall. Don't break it, okay? And there's a calculator. Now, you'll notice that they both just sit on the ramp when it's inclined like this. What I want you to do next is take the wood and lift the ramp up slowly until it starts to move, okay? Then you can do the same with the calculator. Then put them next to each other and see if as you lift it up, if one starts to move before the other. And then draw me a diagram for that and talk about what's going on. Thanks, Paul. You look really great. Okay, on to station 7. Now make sure we get a good shot of this one. This one, I really want you guys to see what this is. All right, now, station 7. There are 3 stations with rubber bands. You'll also notice that there is a 500-gram weight at each station. Please be careful with the weights. Don't throw them, don't drop them. I don't want to break these things. They're kind of expensive. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take turns hanging the weights on the rubber bands, okay? Please try and make sure that the rubber bands don't break. I don't want to have to replace these things all day, okay? So you can hang the weights on the rubber bands, and then look at how they stretch out. So which one stretches out the most, which one stretches out the least, and then you can do the last one as well. So this one has 3 rubber bands. Make sure that you put the hook through all 3 rubber bands before you hang it. All right, that's station 7. On to station 8. Thank you. Okay, station 8. Listen closely. This is it. Don't touch anything. You don't have to touch the book that's hanging because I'm pretty sure that string is going to break at some point today. So don't grab the string and pull it or anything like that. I don't want this thing to come down and hurt anybody. But you have 2 books. One book is sitting on the table. The other book is hanging by the string. Now, we know that there is a force that acts on both of these, but we also know that neither of them is moving, so I want you to talk about what forces are causing these things not to fall through the center of the earth. Yeah, I know it's spinning a little bit. It's okay. All right, that's it. Get started. Go.
Peace out.
So that